dark coffee quality system back then.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
when the people saw that we could make coffee with bicycles in a very eco-friendly way.
If I may ask you something, I think you call this dry cycle depulping machine. Is that correct? That's the
Dry bicycle.
terminology used.
Yes, dry
Dry
bicycle.
bicycle depulping machine. Tell
Yes.
us, how did you get this idea? I mean, where did this idea come from? We are very curious to know that.
Well, I also didn't have enough money to buy one of the big industrial machines. And I also knew the big damage they cause because they use a lot of water.
You need a lot of water for it to keep on peeling
Yes.
perfectly. The pulping.
Yes, according to the website of the Specialty Coffee Association of the United States, it says that for each kilogram of green beans that we produce with those regular machines, we are using 10,000 liters of water.
Wow.
That's crazy.
It's a huge quantity.
Yes, it's crazy. And and so when I came with this idea where we don't use a drop, even a single drop of water in this with this machine, that changes everything.
Yeah.
But with one of these devices, we can produce 17 tons of green beans, or let's just call it a one container, 20-foot container. And then immediately we were on the newspapers, on national TV. An American program also came to make a documentary about what I was doing in the project. And then people saw that in Africa and Asia, South America. And boom, we had so many people from many regions in Guatemala that they wanted to join. Soon we reached more than 200 farmers in Guatemala. And
Wow.
I had lost
Impressive.
stop the link that I had for people that they could reach us, because I had to send emails to everybody saying, I'm sorry, we are not accepting applications not anymore because we are over our capacity. And if you are okay to be in a waiting list, is fine. And that's how we've been since then, because now we have people in Colombia, Rwanda, Ethiopia, Philippines, in different countries.